Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to learn what is a main idea and how do we find a main idea from the given passage or a paragraph. What is a main idea? Main idea is the most important point that author is making while writing. What? How? An author is a person who writes the text or the passage. The main idea is the most important idea in a text or a topic. Topic can be of any person, place, thing, or idea being written about. So the main idea is the most important idea in a text. The main idea is often stated near the beginning of a text. Details tell more about the main idea. The details in the text tell us more things or more information about the main idea. Now let us read a short paragraph and see if we can find the main idea. But before that, remember, the main idea is the most important idea in a text. Okay, so this is the passage. Let us read this passage. My dog, Kim, is the best dog in the world. She always comes when I call her. She loves to swim and play with me. Best thing about her is Kim is always with me if I am having a bad day or feeling sad. Okay, so this whole passage is talking about the dog Kim and her qualities. The first sentence itself tells that Kim is the best dog in the world. So that becomes our main idea of this passage. And the supporting details of this main idea are, let us read this sentence. She loves to swim and play with me. These are the supporting details. Detail number 1. And another supporting detail to the main idea can be, Kim is always with me if I am having a bad day or feeling sad. Okay, so the main idea is always stated or mostly stated in the first sentence, and in the paragraph there are supporting details given to the main idea. Okay, now let us have a look at example number 2. Let us now read a new story and find the main idea. Again, remember, the main idea is the most important idea in a text. So now let us read the story. Okay. The eye doctor said Julie needed glasses. Julie picked out a pair of cute pink glasses. But when the glasses were ready, Julie wasn't so sure. When she went to school the next day, she kept her new glasses in her backpack. She went into her classroom and saw her teacher, Mrs. Swan. Mrs. Swan was wearing new pink glasses. Now, Julie wasn't worried about wearing her new glasses. Now she thought her new glasses were wonderful. Okay, so this story is about a girl, Julie, who needed glasses. Glasses means specs. And she picked out a pair of cute pink glasses. But initially she was not sure about her glasses. But in the school, when she saw her teacher wearing pink glasses, she was fine and she also wanted to wear her glasses. Okay, so then she thought that the glasses were wonderful. Okay, so this is our story. Let us have a look at the question now. Okay, question number 1. What is this whole story mostly about? Option number 1 is Julie's teacher. Option number 2 is Julie's new glasses. And option number 3 is Julie's classroom. What is this whole story mostly about? Remember, the main idea is the most important idea in the text. Yes, so the correct answer is the story is mostly about Julie's new glasses. Okay, now let us have a look at question number 2. Which of these is a small piece of information from the story that makes the story more interesting? Option number 1 is Julie's glasses came in a cute case. Option number 2 is Mrs. Swan liked Julie's new glasses. And option number 3 is Julie's new glasses are pink. Okay, so what information makes this story more interesting? Yes, it is option number 3, that is Julie's new glasses are pink. So the story is entirely based on Julie's new glasses, pink. Okay, so the main idea is what the writing or a text is all about. Often the main idea is found in the first sentence of the passage or a paragraph. So that's it on main idea. Watch this video until you understand what is a main idea. Thank you so much and you all have a good day. Bye bye.